This is the dawn of a new era. An era where the entire world is moving towards automation and an increased dependency on electricity for everyday activities. Traditional energy sources like coal, natural gas and nuclear produces the vast majority of global warming emissions and pollute our air and water. Hence, there is an immediate need for alternate clean energy. Renewable sources like solar are no longer just environmental solutions and an economic opportunity for consumers, but also a path forward to economically viable and sustainable energy. Swelect Energy Systems Limited. Stay powerful when sun shines and thereafter. Swelect, formerly Numeric Power Systems Limited, was established in the year 1984 and has over 30 years of experience in energy management and power electronics. Swelect became a public limited company in 1994 with listing in the BSE and NSE since 1996. At Swelect, quality is at the core of all operations. In keeping with this obsession, Swelect is an IMS 2015 accredited company with ISO 9001, 14001 and 18001 standards. In line with the Indian government's Make in India initiative, Swelect is India's leading manufacturer of solar PV modules and balance of systems. Swelect has implemented over 9,000 solar PV projects covering 150 megawatt capacity. This includes 80 megawatt in utility scale, 30 megawatt in rooftop installations and solar water pumps across India and the world. Swelect is a turnkey solar solution provider with presence in all the verticals of solar ecosystem. Swelect designs, manufactures, supplies, installs and commissions and provides O&M services to ensure maximum performance, thereby ensuring customers' delight. This helps customers have access to the entire solar solution under one roof and enjoy possible tax savings as well as quality assurance from the leaders in the industry. Swelect caters to international customers through its subsidiary companies in the USA and Singapore and Myanmar. HHV Solar Technologies, the PV module manufacturing division of Swelect, is a BNEF accredited Tier 1 solar module manufacturer located in Bangalore. It is a world-class, state-of-the-art Class 100,000 clean room facility with a production capacity of 140 megawatt. HHV Solar is in the process of doubling its capacity and will soon be able to cater to a wider customer base. HHV Solar follows stringent quality control measures to ensure highest module performance and reliability. The modules pass through 100% inline multi-stage EL tests to produce and supply micro crack-free modules to the end customer with triple IEC standard compliance. HHV Solar sources the best-in-class raw materials from the world's reputed manufacturers to ensure quality and customer satisfaction through guaranteed high performance. The modules are certified for compliance to global standards like BIS, IEC, TUV, UL, MCS and CEC. HHV Solar manufactures and supplies multi- and monocrystalline modules with 72, 60 and 36 cell configurations for multiple applications. Swelect has a total backward integrated manufacturing facility at Salem, which was established under the Pura scheme, a program for rural India launched by His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. At this facility, Swelect offers a complete range of solar PCUs, mounting systems, array junction boxes as part of the BOS. The roll-forming machines installed for the manufacturing of MMS have a production capacity of 10 megawatt per month. The most commonly used C and hat purlins for solar mounting structures are manufactured and supplied from this facility. From its humble beginning, Swelect is now a leader in implementing a wide range of solar power projects starting from kilowatt capacity to multi-megawatt projects, from land procurement to power connectivity and delivery.
Solar power is a renewable energy that is the only solution in the coming years to solve the energy needs of the nation.
Swelect has implemented over 2,800 rooftop solar installations under both CapEx and OpEx models across India and overseas. From small rooftop systems to commercial and industrial systems to megawatt-scale solar PV plants.
Sustainability is part of our business philosophy. Grundfos wants to become one of the impactful companies when it comes to solving water, energy and climate challenges. Also, one of our ambition is to reduce our own CO2 emission by 50% in 2025. To meet these challenges, we are looking for alternate source of energy. Solar is one of the cleanest source of energy available. So we have wanted to install solar power plant in our factory.
Swelect also sells solar power under captive user model to consumers through power purchase agreements. Swelect is also an independent power producer with projects under various national and state schemes. Some of the projects include 15 megawatt module energy park at Vellakovil, Tamil Nadu, 10 megawatt solar power plant at Trichy, Tamil Nadu. It is the first project executed under DCR project under JNNSM Phase 2 in Tamil Nadu. 10 megawatt solar power plant at Kunigal, Karnataka under Karnataka State Taluk scheme.
Here in Odayagalam, I have 75 acres of land and I am cultivating coconut, nutmeg and cocoa, which needs more water. So I am bringing water from my other field that costs me daily 6,000 rupees. Apart from that, I am polluting also. So as an individual, my contribution also for the environment. So I switched over to solar.
Pumping up its reputation, Swelect has a strong installation base in solar water pump projects across India. The entire BOM, comprising of SPV modules, manual tracking structures, pump sets and solar pump controllers are supplied by Swelect. Swelect also has a series of firsts to its credit. Some of the special projects executed by Swelect are India's first 100 kilowatt floating solar power plant at Kayankulam for NTPC. India's first solar ferry is powered by Swelect modules. Swelect not only strives for a greener and cleaner tomorrow, it also works towards the betterment of the society through its CSR activities. The various activities include rural development, livelihood options for released bonded labours, empowerment of women, education for underprivileged children, etc.
Every day when the sun rises, we wake up to a day of immense potential. A potential that we realize without fail thanks to our desire for solar energy.
The challenges of the future can be met with the experience of the past and the technology of the present. With our rich experience, leading-edge technology state-of-the-art facilities, we know how do we face the future challenges today.
Swelect. Stay powerful when sun shines and thereafter.